Happy birthday, Sang! Tugon!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Sarah! Sana mapapagal yung buhay! Happy birthday!
Hi, our travel queen. I just wanted to wish you the happiest birthday. Can you believe it? It's been like 12 years already since college. Grabe, ang dami na nating napagdaanan, tawanan, late nights, crazy memories before. Nagpapatintero pa tayo bago umuwi sa bahay, remember? I'm so grateful for our friendship kahit na malayo tayo, you know, LDR. You always being there for me, for us, the team bully. Wishing you all the love, happiness, and blessing you deserve. Remember that you will always be one of my favorite people. I love you always, and take care. Again, enjoy your day, and happy birthday.
Ayun, ano ko umpisa na? Ayun, happy birthday, Sang. Nakalimutan ko sasabihin doon. Ayun, so happy birthday, Sang. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday. Sana magkita tayo ulit soon, yung hindi na pag-iiyak. Pero, ayun, again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ush.
Sang, maligaya ka naman. I wish you all the best. Sana lahat ng goals mo sa buhay ma-achieve mo. Lalo na din yung mga travel goals mo. Siyempre, kasama kami. Bye!
Birthday sa, hindi pa tayo nagkikita. Ito na lang muna ang regalo ko sa'yo. Yung birthday greetings ko. So, magkasama tayo since, kahit hindi since birth, no? Magkasama tayo, parang through ups and downs, tayo pa rin magkasama. Magkaiba yung circle of friends natin. Tayo pa rin na mag-best friend at wala ka nang magagawa doon. Okay, wish ko lang sa'yo ngayong birthday mo. Sana, maging masaya ka na. Lalo na, nandun naman si Sia. So, sana maging masaya ka. Forever na yung kasiyahan mo. No? At makakita ka sana nung lalaki na alam natin na mamahalin ka ng buong buo. Lalo na si Sia. So, happy birthday. So, see you soon.
Hello, Sang. Happy birthday, ha? Ingat ka lagi. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tita Sarah. Ingat ka lagi sa mga travel goals mo. Hope to bond you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Sarah.
Hi, Ate Sam! Happy birthday sa friend namin binibigit kay Dora the Explorer. Sama mo naman kami next. Ano, ikaw na lang lagi. Anyways, we missed you. Sana matuloy na yung drawing natin na gumana naman. Enjoy your day and more travels, I guess. Kasi marami ka pang on the list na kailangan pupuntahan. So enjoy and ingat lang lagi sa mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay. So whenever ready and free sa schedule, let's meet up. Bye-bye, ate ko. Love you.
Hi, Sam! Hi, pre! Happy birthday! So, happy birthday, pre. So, continue living your life. Alam ko naman ginagawa mo na yan. Diba? So, work, tapos travel. Ganun dapat ang goal natin. Diba? So, tamang-tama yan sa'yo kasi I know naman you're very hardworking and you're really doing that for yourself. And at the same time, alam kong may patutunguhan yung mga ginagawa mo. Diba? So, continue being charming, being sweet, being cheerful, tapos yan, pretty, diba? Para bang siya yung perfect na gawa ni Lord? Diba? So, yeah, yung pagiging adventure mo, pagiging explorer mo, lahat ng bansang gusto mong puntaan, patatakan mo kasi deserve mo yan, pinagtatrabahuan mo yan, diba? So, ano pa ba? Ito na lang. I know naman you're doing this already, pero love yourself to the fullest. Alam ko kasi ito, para kung ano pag nagmahal, bigay na bigay diba? So, yun nga, medyo patanga, pero sige, tayo ulit. I love you, Sam. Diba? Alam mo yan. So, yun nga, happy birthday and sana ay lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay ay matupad mo. So, happy birthday, Sam. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sang. Happy birthday sa isang natatanging kaibigan na kilala ko nung college days ko until now. So, sana alam ko natupad mo na yung mga wish mo. At kung ano pa yung mga hindi mo natupad, alam ko matutupad yun. Dahil dyan, meron pang mga gustong bumati sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Tita Sarah! God bless!
Love you!
嬉しいな今日は楽しいな今日は誕生日おめでとうお歌を歌いましょう嬉しいな今日は楽しいな今日は誕生日おめでとうお歌を歌いましょう誕生日おめでとう
Happy birthday, Sarah!
Happy birthday, Tita Sarah!
Happy birthday, Sarah po.
Bless you always.
Tuloy ka lang sa paggala. Gala ka lang ng gala. Sunod na gala mo, sama naman kami. Happy birthday. Pakain ka na. God bless.
Happy birthday, anak. Salamat sa lahat ng mga pag. Happy
Happy birthday, Tita Sara.
Hi Riri, it's me. No, I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. I know ayaw mo na i-greet ka namin on your birthday, but I wanna make it special then, and I just wanna still greet you the happiest birthday. I'm thankful for our friendship, thankful for all the things na pinagsamahan na natin, and I just wanted to let you know na I'm always here for you, and I will always be your go-to person, and I'm proud of all the things that you have accomplished and done. And so happy birthday.
Hello pre, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Clap your hands. Yay! Say happy birthday, Tita Sara. Tita Sara.
Tita Sara. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.